This is KoikiMedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Anything oje ojo ọdún, that is on 25th 12 2025. Near Wanilu Akure, we are at Akure, that the Ondo State Capital. And Ondo State Capital to give you the live reports, the situation reports on the security situation and the economic hardship in Nigeria, particularly in Ondo State. And we are in Akure, that Ondo State Capital. Our nínú ọjà báyìí, gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn ibi tí a ti dé, people are really complaining of the price. Pé àwọn price àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n ń rà pé ó ti wọ́n jù. Like àwọn adìyẹ báyìí, ẹ̀rí àwọn adìyẹ yìí. People are complaining pé ó ti wọ́n jù. People don't want to buy. Àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ rà. Once again, this is KoikiMedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep. And it's on the 25th December 2025. So people are really complaining. People are really complaining that things are not affordable. So aládìyẹ la wà yìí o. Àwọn ènìyàn complain pé adìyẹ ti wọ́n jù. I would blame, according to our investigation, I would blame àwọn tí ó ń ta adìyẹ yìí because oúnjẹ tí wọ́n ń ṣe kíni tí wọ́n fi ń bọ́ àwọn adìyẹ yìí ó ti wọ́n jù. So àwọn náà ò ní fẹ́ short. And kí ló jẹ́ kó ń jẹ wọ́n is because of the policy of our government, the unfavorable policy of our government nípa owó oúnjẹ, owó adìyẹ ó ti wọ́n. Unfavorable policy. So àwọn náà tó wá láti àárọ̀, tí wọ́n wá láti àárọ̀ sínú òrùn, wọn ò fẹ́ wá jẹ̀yà, àwọn náà ń ṣerú ayé. So they have to sell it at affordable price tí a ṣe kí ni o, tí àwọn náà tí wọ́n lè yọ owó oúnjẹ wọn náà níbẹ̀. So a dẹ̀ ti bí báwọn kan sọ̀rọ̀ lábẹ́ aṣọ tí wọ́n complain wípé nǹkan le, pé wọn ò lè ra nǹkan, wọn ò lè ra adìyẹ broiler. Layers kan tó wà gan, people are not buying because it is very, very expensive. Ó wà expensive. It is very, very expensive. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ alátàárọ̀ tẹ́ ti dé mà, àwọn mélòó ló ti wá sọ́dọ̀ yín? Báwo ló ṣe ń complain? Báwo ni nǹkan ṣe rí? Kí ni situation?
Ó lágbára o. Àwọn èèyàn ń complain, wọ́n ní kò sí owó. Nínú gan ọba ṣe ń pè fún wọn. Táyé sọ pé eléyìí báyìí, adìẹ ò dẹ̀ pé èèyàn kàn ń tà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Kò sí owó ní Nàìjíríà. Oúnjẹ adìẹ tí wọ́n wo kan tí wọ́n kò sí. Àwọn tó ń ra gan, à ń yìn wọ́n, kò sí owó rárá. Ẹ wò látàárọ̀ báyìí tí mo ti wà bí mo ṣe ta méjì, kò sí owó.
Jẹ́ ti ń gbọ́ complain. This is not a scripted thing o. It is a lie.
Ra old layers ní 9,000 naira. Tí àwọn customer ná ní 8,000 naira. Kò pè wá àkọ́ńtà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Please keep sharing. This is KoikiMedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Máa share, keep sharing, let people know. Ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn government mọ̀, let the foreign body know that we are really suffering.
Nígbà tá a bá ra èdè òde adìẹ ní 2.5. Èdè òde 2.5 la máa rà. Èdè òde sáárì bíi kíní 2.5 lára. Ká tó náà ṣe ká tó ṣe.
Báwo ló oúnjẹ tẹ máa rà? Báwo ló ṣe rí sí tó?
Oúnjẹ yẹn ò yí sí o. Oúnjẹ yẹn wọ́n o. Oúnjẹ adìẹ ti wọ́n, kì í dẹ̀ ń ṣe tá a rà tẹ́lẹ̀. Èyí tá a fi ra báàgì mẹ́ta la fi rẹ̀ ọkàn báyìí.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ látàárọ̀ tẹ́ ti débi èlò lẹ ti tà. Látàárọ̀ tẹ́ ti jí débi. Ṣé adìyẹ mélòó lẹ ti tà? Ẹ jẹ́ ti débi báyìí àti tó how many hours?
Àti ibi 6 yẹn mo ti débi.
Àti aago 6 lẹ ti débi. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ adìyẹ mélòó lẹ ti tà?
Mo ti ta mẹ́ta.
Mẹ́ta látàárọ̀. Kí ni complain táwọn ènìyàn sọ tó jẹ́ kán kúrò lọ́dọ̀ yín?
Wọ́n kàn ná iye tí wọ́n ní kò sówó, wọ́n kàn ná iye tí yóò láìkì ni. Wọ́n kàn ná iye tí yóò láìkì rárá.
Can you see?
Iye tí ẹ̀ rà, òun ni wọ́n ná. Nígbà tí a bá ra díẹ̀ ní fáàmù ní 15,000 naira, tí wọ́n ná 10,000 naira ní ọwọ́ wa.
Ṣé ń gbọ́ báyìí? This is not a scripted one o.
Ní fáàmù 15,000 naira lára díẹ̀, wọ́n wá ná 10,000 naira lọ́wọ́ wa.
Ṣé ti gbọ́ bí àwọn ènìyàn ṣe ń jẹ̀yà eléyìí kì í ṣe pé wọ́n lọ script yẹ o, this is not a film, it is a live nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn citizen nílẹ̀ Yorùbá leléyìí, ìyà tó ń jẹ leléyìí o, ìyà tó ń jẹ kéèyàn ti jí dé ìsọ̀ adìyẹ láti aago 6 ẹ̀yin ènìyàn gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbọ́ ẹ máa gbọ́ láti aago 6 lọ́ ti jí dé tí wọ́n dẹ̀ tàjú adìyẹ 3 wọ́n dẹ̀ ní complaint táwọn ènìyàn mú wá ni wípé kò sówó.
bí o ṣe tí owó yẹn náà ni àwọn kìíní ń gba owó lọ́wọ́ wa orí kankan.
àwọn ìjọba
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
wọ́n tún ní pẹ̀lú bí òye kìíní pé.
lábọ̀ pé wọ́n náwó wa wẹ̀ jọ.
wọ́n ní àwọn alágbára kan tún ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ wọn tí wàá mọ orúkọ wọn. wọ́n ní wọ́n ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ wọn, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ bó ṣe rí kó lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ọjà yẹn ṣé ó move àbí kò move. ok àti gbọ́ bọ̀ ṣé ọjà yín ṣé ó move bíi ti tẹ́lẹ̀. ẹ jẹ́ ká sòótọ́ kan lè mọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ká má máa jẹ̀yà ká má máa jẹ ẹ jẹ́ kí ajẹ́ kan mọ̀. àti gbọ́ wọ́n ní wọ́n gbọ́ ọjà yín báwo àtàrọ̀ tẹ́ ti dé mà báwo lọjà ṣe rí mà.
à ń ta díẹ̀ nítorí kò sówó nígboro.
wọ́n ní kò sówó nígboro pé wọ́n ta díẹ̀ ni wọ́n ra ta díẹ̀. torí náà ìyà ń jẹ àwọn ènìyàn wọn lè people cannot afford they cannot afford kí ló ti ń pè layers. People are complaining tẹ́lẹ̀ báyìí irú wòyí tẹ́lẹ̀ ní ìlú Àkúrẹ́ wọ́n ti fẹ́ ta gbogbo kìíní tán wọ́n ti fẹ́ ta tán. So people are complaining àti wípé the security situation in Nigeria is getting worse. Things are very costly.
Things are very costly. Yes, like this one before now is 6,000 naira.
That layer.
Yeah, that layers. Now to as at maybe yesterday, 10,000 naira per one. So you know everything is getting high.
And people are complaining, no money. Can you see? Òun lè ń fi ẹnu ara yín pọ̀ yìí. Wọ́n ní àwọn ènìyàn complain wípé kò sówó lóde. Kò sí owó. Tẹ́lẹ̀ báyìí irú bọ̀dá mi báyìí wọ́n ti fẹ́ tà tán. Inú wọn á ti máa dùn, wọ́n á ti mọ iye tó wọ̀ ní ọ̀pọ̀ wọn. Ẹ ti gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ ti gbọ́.
Àdèjọ́jọ́ méjì tàbí tajà ń bí. Àdìsọ́ọ̀bù àwọn tó ń tajà. Ó yẹ kó fọjọ́ méjì tá a máa fi tajà kan fílẹ̀ fún akọ́jẹ́ ká lè tajà.
Wọ́n lè fi ran àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù lọ́wọ́.
Fi tajà ni. Wọ́n lè yára kò tó fi tajà ní wọn dẹ̀ aláwọ̀ wa ká lè tè tajà. Kọ́jọ́ kó má jẹ́ kó níbẹ̀ nẹ́sì àkọ́ṣàánú wa.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé báwo ní ọdún tó kọjá àti ọdún yìí báwo làwọn èèyàn ṣe wá.
Ọdún yìí dá sà ká má sọ̀kan tó kù sà.
Ẹ fi ọ̀rọ̀ sábẹ́ àwọn sọ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà.
So nǹkan wọ́n àwọn ènìyàn complain àbí.
Kò sówó nígboro. Ebi pa wá, kò sówó nígboro. Kọ́ṣàánú wa.
Ẹ ti gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. It is a very clear thing, it's not a scripted thing. Eléyìí ń ṣe film, it is a reality.
Ìjọba òdì aláàmú lọ́dún tó lọ ní ìwọ́jà wà láàmú òun ọjà lọ́jà ta o.
So reality lélẹ̀ àwọn ènìyàn ń jẹ̀yà.
Àwọn ìyá lọ́jà wọn lọ yá lápò ìtọ́jú ìtajà.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu màmá wa. Ẹ má worry, you are live. Ẹ má bẹ̀rù. This is going to US, it's going to anywhere. We are sharing it live. This is KoikiMedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep. So bẹ̀rù òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ la wà fún. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ sọ òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀.
Ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn ń gbòòrò kò sówó ń gbòòrò. Lọ́dún ìgbà ọdún tó kọjá báyìí ó ṣe ọdún yìí àwọn kò sí nǹkan kan wọn kálukú kò sí nǹkan kan ìyà ń jẹ ọmọ mẹ̀kúnnù kò sí owó kankan ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn kọ́jọ kan ṣàánú fún wa ọ̀nà máa ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ náà àti àtọ̀nà wọn ṣe.
Ṣètúgbọ́ people are complaining wọ́n ní kò sówó ń gbòòrò. Normally irú màmá wa yìí ó yẹ kán wà nílé wọ́n ti mọ iye tó ti gbé sápò tó ti pa. Ó yẹ kán mọ iye tó ti pa kí ni wọ́n máa dùn. But kò sí owó. Wọ́n ní kò sí owó pé nǹkan wọ́n. This is not a scripted thing. Eléyìí kì í ṣe pé wọ́n kọ script. Nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni. This is what is happening on Yoruba soil. People are really suffering. Ètò ààbò ó mẹ́ẹ̀. Ó dàbí kí ìyá méjì máa jẹyàn lẹ́ẹ̀kan ni. Ọkàn èèyàn ò balẹ̀, kò tún sówó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn. Ẹ rí pé Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè gbàyàn àti wípé ká gbára wa sílẹ̀. Self-determination is the key. self determination. Òwe kan sọ pé ó di ọjọ́ tí wèrè bá ti mọ̀ pé wèrè ni ká tó mọ̀ pé ara ẹ̀ máa já lọ́jọ́ òun. But tí gbogbo wa bá ń wò pé gbogbo ìyà tó ń jẹ wá yìí pé a wà comfortable, we keep on, a máa continue. But let us know that we are suffering. Let us know that we are suffering. Let us come out and speak the truth. And one day, Ọlọ́run máa gbà wá. Àti wípé àwa fúnra wa la máa gbára wa lẹ̀ o. Things are too costly. So let's go to another area. This is KoikiMedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep. So people are not speaking the truth. You see? Ẹlòmíì á torí little kọ́bọ̀ tó ń rí. He will not speak the truth. Kò ní fẹ́ kò ní sọ òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. So until we start to speak the truth, ọjọ́ yẹn ni freedom máa wá. People are really suffering, and this is the life situation in Akure, Ondo State Capital. This is KoikiMedia bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Keep sharing, keep sharing, keep sharing, keep sharing. Tag United Nations, tag United General Assembly. Keep tagging. So àwọn ènìyàn ń jẹ̀yà. We've interviewed so many people today, and they are really complaining of the economic situation that is very, very harsh. It's unpalatable. Kò rọrùn. Kò rọrùn àtọ́ o. Èmi náà baálé ilé ni mí o, tí mo jáde tí mo wá ń ṣe live telecast. Èmi tí mo yẹ tó ti bọ́ lọ́wọ́ mi lénìí. So things are not easy. And people are complaining every day. There's no security. The economic situation, zero. Yeah? Can you see? So, báwo lèèyàn gan ṣe fẹ́ think? How do you want to think? How do you want to think? How do you want to think straight? Ní abẹ́ situation yìí tí a wà ní Nàìjíríà, báwo lè ṣe fẹ́ think straight? Or ìwọ tó ń sùn that you are afraid pé bandit kan bọ̀ pé ẹnìkan fẹ́ wá gbé ẹ. How do you want to think straight? You can't. It's not possible. So ẹ jẹ́ ká gbára wa, nǹkan wọ́n. Things are so costly. This KoikiMedia once again bringing the world closer to your doorstep. So and take sample on the situation report on the economic effects, the Nigeria's economic effect being programmed by our political leader that is not favoring people. Economy tí wọ́n gbé sílẹ̀ tí ò favour àwọn ènìyàn. Tí wọ́n complain lójoojúmọ́ wípé kò sówó pé àwọn ènìyàn wá rajà. Àtàárọ̀ ẹlòmíì búrẹ́ńtà interview lẹ́kan yẹn ó ní six lòun ti débi pé èèyàn tó ra adìyẹ lọ́wọ́ pé kò ju mẹ́ta. Ẹ̀rí ìyá yẹn stress tó ti pass through. So once again this KoikiMedia bringing the world closer to your door. People are really suffering. Ìlú Àkúrẹ́ ni o fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń join wa. This is the Ondo State Capital. So we are taking sample situation of the Yuletide season. We are sampling the economic effects as it affects the Yuletide season and how people are complaining and nagging that things are not favorable. Irú broiler báyìí. Ẹ káàárọ̀ mà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ broiler yìí èlò ló tó mà. Mọ́mì, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ broiler yìí báyìí èlò ló lè tó. 25. This broiler 25,000.
Yes.
And are people coming to buy?
A lot.
They've been buying a lot. And are you sure? Because most stores that we've been to, people are complaining that people are not coming.
We have some that we sold for 30,000.
So, comparing the economic situation of last year and this year, which one is better?
Last year.
Last year is better.
Yes.
So, can you see? Conclusively, that means that things are getting worse. Yes. So, when the economic situation of last year is better, according to you, and this year is worse, that means economically It's getting worse every day. So it's very simple. People are suffering and people are complaining. Sorry. So they said some people cannot afford. This is a grandmother.
Many people.
Please speak, man. Many people cannot.
Many people cannot afford. It's only people that can afford it that will buy you. Some people will bring their children. They can't afford. The children will be crying and they will be begging. Some will beg, sell for me. And the cost of raising it is high.
And they will not know.
And there is nothing we can do.
Cost of the food.
Yes.
They will not think about that.
Yes. They cannot sell below the cost. So it's only the people that can afford that will buy. The average people self don't afford it. So the things are getting worse every day.
You are an elderly man. How do you see the security situation in our country now? Security.
In fact, that security is something that somebody cannot know what to say or how to do it. So it's based on the government. If they want to secure the people, they secure. So all we pray is that God will be helping us, as God has been helping us. But that security depends on government.
Thank you, ma'am. Can you see? They said the security situation is getting worse and the economic situation is getting worse. Bí màmá tí mo interview lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn, ó kọ́kọ́ ẹ máa gbọ́ o, ẹ jẹ́ explain fún yín dáadáa, ẹ máa gbọ́. Ó ní àwọn ènìyàn wá rà dáadáa, àbí? That's the yellow woman. Mo wá béèrè technically, mo béèrè technically wípé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mà. Economic situation last year, àti this year, èwo ló better jù? Ó wá sọ fún mi pé last year better than this year. Can you see technically that means this year economic situation is getting worse? Get? So that means some people are pretending that things are easy and things are not easy. Àwọn ènìyàn kan wọ́n pretend wípé gbogbo nǹkan dáa ṣùgbọ́n economic situation country wa ò dáa. Ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tí ìyá àgbà yẹn sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan, ó ní kò sí ètò ààbò nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà yìí, pé nǹkan náà tún wọ́n ẹ̀rí gbòòrò bó ṣe rí. Àwọn ènìyàn travel gẹ́gẹ́ bí park àti lọ park. Àwọn ènìyàn travel torí pé wọ́n bẹ̀rù kan má jí wọn gbé. Wọ́n bẹ̀rù kan má lọ jí wọn gbé. Àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ travel. Àwọn ènìyàn fẹ́ travel, kò sí ètò ààbò. Ṣé ìwọ tá jí gbé báyìí tá ní kó lọ mọ́ 100 million wá? So lówó ẹ̀. So people are not traveling. So let's rise up. Let's liberate ourselves. Let's liberate ourselves. Things are getting worse. So let's rise up and liberate ourselves from this suffering. Fella they talk once, he says suffering and smiling. You dey suffer, you dey smile. So let's liberate ourselves until we are self-determined, until we are ready, that we move out from this sickening system that is called Nigeria. So until we are ready to move, things will not change. Self-determination is the key. Once again, we are live in Akure, the Ondo State Capital, to evaluate the economic situation and also the security situation vis-a-vis the Yuletide season, which is today, 25th December 2025. And we've had so many people spoken that the security situation is getting worse, and the economic situation also is getting harder and getting sour to bite. So once again, this is KoikiMedia Bringing the World closer to your doorstep. So Elri is evidential that people are really suffering, and they are suffering and smiling every day. Some are ready to talk. Àwọn ènìyàn míì wọ́n ti ready láti sọ̀rọ̀ jáde wípé ìyà ń jẹ wọ́n. While some are ready to die in shame that they are not suffering, which beneath them in their closer room. They are really suffering. We are going to get a buyer now to talk to us. We are going to get a buyer very soon to talk to us. You get a buyer very soon to explain, the things he or she bought. Bó ṣe wà expensive sí. A dẹ̀ ti bá àwọn buyers kan náà sọ̀rọ̀ ní underground tí wọ́n ṣàlàyé fún wa wípé nǹkan ti wọ́n jù, pé ara ń ni wọ́n, wípé nǹkan ti wọ́n jù, things are too costly. Like, hello my brother, good morning. Do you want yourself on camera or off camera? So that I can just put in my so like, since you have been here, what time did you come here? I came here before 7. Before 7? Can you see? An hardworking person, very hardworking, came here before 7. So how is the sales today? Báwo lọ́jà?
As you can see, the thing is very tough now. You can see it. The Christmas is not as it used to be, because normally when we do this business, this Christmas stuff, we don't come here like this.
Okay.
Because before this time, everything will be.
You will have sold everything
out.
Even before Christmas, you will have sold everything before.
Like it is now, we are not supposed to be here today, because what we say is it's all about the Christmas. So all these things supposed to finish yesterday if it happens the way it usually happens. But as you can see, the country is very, very.
So what is the complaint of the buyers?
The complaint is that the thing is too expensive. And not even because of that, they don't have, when you have much money with you,
yeah,
you know how to spend it.
When rest of mind,
you see what you like, it will not be hard for you to spend the money.
Yeah.
But people are complaining because they don't have money, not because the thing is too expensive, but there is no money.
They couldn't afford, they don't have the affordability power.
That's the problem.
So that's it. What's your advice to government? Because we are suffering and smiling.
I know the government, it seems as if we have no hope for the government again, because hope is all lost. For likewise, I don't see any hope of this government. I don't have hope on Nigeria.
So that means we are to fight for ourselves?
We have to fight for ourselves if that will be the solution. We have to fight for ourselves. They know the problem of this country, but they seems to keep
unbothered. They don't want to bother
because they are living comfort. They don't know what we are passing through.
Thank you very much. Can you see a able-bodied youth complaining? An able-bodied youth don't complain. For any time, this KoikiMedia Bringing the World closer to your doorstep, and keep sharing those in the United States. Keep sharing those in UK, keep sharing those in Asia, keep sharing those in Africa. Keep sharing. Can you see everybody youth? He had to complain. Only láti complain wípé òun ti jí débi láti to 7 tó dẹ̀ jí dé yẹn. Ó ní àwọn ènìyàn tó ń wá sọ́dọ̀, they are complaining. Wọ́n complain wípé nǹkan ti wọ́n jù. That they are not buying, they don't have the affordability power. They cannot afford. So not that he said one thing that touches me most. That this time last year he had sold everything. He didn't even bother to come on 25, but because he had so much markets, he had to come on 25. Only ìwòyí last year òun ti ta gbogbo nǹkan tó wà lórí ọjà òun kàn ní òun kàn fẹ́ wá ṣe fàájì ní on 25 ni, but now ó ní láti wájú torí wípé kò rí nǹkan kan tà. Can you see? People are suffering and smiling. People are not buying anything. Everybody youth tí wọn fẹ́ lọ jáde, they don't want to do plus, they don't want to do anything. They are here to work hard. Everybody youth, they are here to work hard. They are very serious, but government are not helping them. The economic power is not there. Ìwọ tó bá lówó lọ́wọ́ nínú àdùn, yes, because kò sówó, àwọn èèyàn dem complain. Buyers are complaining, sellers are complaining. So the complaint is interwoven. So complaint over interwoven. This is not a scripted thing. It's a reality that people are really suffering in Nigeria. It's a reality. So can you see? Can you see? Harry, keep sharing. We will soon end the live. We will soon end the live. People are really suffering. People are really suffering. Harry. Àwọn èèyàn kan ọ̀rọ̀ dàtà àti súnmọ́, let me check the time. Okay, aago mẹ́wàá ló lù báyìí. People are really complaining. People are really complaining. People are really complaining. Wọ́n rí ẹ̀rọjà bó ṣe pọ̀ nílẹ̀, kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ tà, kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ rà á lọ́wọ́ wọn. Nobody is buying. Nobody is buying. Can you see? Nobody. So nobody is buying. This is a situation report once again in Akure Ondo State Capital about the security situation and the economic situation as it affects the celebration of Christmas. Ó dé affect ẹ ti gbá àwọn èèyàn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀. Inú àwọn ènìyàn ò dùn. People are not happy at all. People are not happy. People are complaining. People are not happy. People are complaining. So let me cross to the other side. Let me cross to the other side and see. Are you a buyer? Have you bought anything today? You don't buy anything today? Okay. Thank you. So you can see ìgboro wà scanty òní, àwọn ènìyàn jáde ṣé ẹni tí yóò rówó tí yóò jẹun kánú àbí tí yóò sí owó ní àkáǹtì ẹ̀ torí ìjọba wa ti fail wa tí òun ló fẹ́ jáde. Imagine àwa la dẹ̀ lè gbára wa o, àwa la lè gbára wa. We are gonna save ourselves. Kò sí anybody tó fẹ́ save wa. Hello. Yeah. Me.
It's a gift for you, sir.
Okay. I'm a Christian.
This is English Quran, sir.
Okay.
I'm a Muslim. I got 6 Bibles at home, sir. So if you are learned and read, it's an English copy. So don't say you can't read.
I understand. Yeah, I understand. Okay. And why the screen here? You are live.